Alright, I'm going to try this again, see if this will work. So we're going to solve each equation for x. So you would take x plus 2 equals this, the square root of 2x plus 52. And what you'll need to do first is you'll need to square both sides. So when I square both sides, I get this. I get x plus 2 times x plus 2, and then that's going to equal the square root will go away, and you're just left with 2x plus 52. So that's what happens when you square both sides, like so. That should say equal. All right, and then this is going to be, if you FOIL this, it's going to be x squared plus 2x, and the outsides would be 2x and plus 4, and over here you get 2x plus 52, and normally I would combine those, but I can see something that if I just simply subtract 2x from both sides, so minus 2x, one of those would cancel, and then I'm going to also subtract 52 from both sides. Maybe I should back up here a little bit and say this. Anytime you've got a quadratic equation like this, you're going to want to move all your terms to one side and set it equal to 0. So now I'm going to take and subtract 52 from both sides. And I subtract 52, and we get x squared plus 2x plus or minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, and extend the page here a little bit. Now what I'll do is I'll factor this into its two binomials. So looking at that, I can factor, and I can get, let's see, 48, two things that multiply together give me 48, and add together to give me 2 would be x plus 8 and x minus 6, and that's equal to 0. So then I'll set my solutions here. X would either equal a negative 8 or x would equal a positive 6. Okay, and we'll check that in my original equation to see if I have any extraneous roots that I might have generated. So if I, how do I scroll back up? Over here, it's on the left. So if I put in 8, I would get 10. Well, let's just do that. So the original equation was this. So let's change colors here a little bit. That. It's a negative there. Plus 52, and 16 from 52 is equal to 36. So I'm looking at the square root of 36, and this is equal to a negative 6. So since they always take the primary root, they would look at this as a 6, excuse me, not as a 3, but as a 6. So they would say that negative 8 does not work. Meaning that probably 6 does work. So if I go 6 plus 2, does that equal the square root of 2 times 6 plus 52? That would be 12, would be 64. So I get 8 is equal to the square root of 64, which is also equal, the primary root is equal to 8. So it works.